in Java that uses a two-way selection. So this is the syntax: if followed by the expression and then the statement. So here, if you have more than one statement, you're going to write the open and close brace. But if it is one statement only, you may not put open and close brace. And then the else part here. So if the condition is true, this statement will be executed. If the condition is false, the else statement will be executed. So this is the flowchart. So the logical operation, if evaluated to true, it goes in this side. This statement will be executed. If the logical expression is false, this statement or this side will be executed. Okay, so not all of the statements will be executed. Okay, so we are assuming we are tasked to create a class that accepts age as user's input. And then if user's age is greater than equal to 18, the message you are eligible to vote, you are not a minor anymore will be displayed. But if age is less than 18, the message you are not eligible to vote, you are a minor will be displayed. Okay, so we are going to create a program that performs this task. So let us start, right click and then new, and go to class. Let us call it as vote class, then check public static void main, and finish. Okay, and then here, so the first task is we'll ask input from the user for age. Since we'll ask input from the user, we need to import java.util. You can have that asterisk or it can be specific scanner. And then here, create an object. Scanner, for example, scanner input equal to new scanner system.in semicolon. We are now going to write system.out of print line that asks the user to input for age. So int age is equal to input dot next int, since age is integer. And then the next task is if age is greater than or equal to 18. So we will be using relational operator greater than equal. If age is greater than equal to 18, then the optional open and close brace. Optional if one statement only, but if more than one statement, should have open and close brace. So system.out.print line, you are eligible to vote. Then out print line, you are no longer a minor. Okay, so this is our if part. Then let's go back to the scenario. The scenario says if age is less than 18, display the message you are not eligible to vote. You are a minor. So we'll just write here else if age is less than 18. Though you may not write this expression anymore, you just write else. Space, you are not eligible to vote. You are a minor. Okay, so we have satisfied already the scenario. We are now going to run our program. So input age, example, we'll try 25. So is 25 greater than equal to 18? It's true. So this line is executed. You are eligible to vote. You are no longer a minor. So let us try another input. Let us have example 12. So you are not eligible to vote. You are a minor. So this part is executed. So what you can see, what is executed or read is only the statement in which its expression is true. Okay? So this is how you are going to create a class in Java that uses a condition using if, else, or a two-way selection. Two-way selection. Okay? That's all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.